In this video, I will show you how to use Perplexity AI to quickly generate and research high-quality ideas for your tech news channel. I'll start by asking for the top 5 trending tech stories from this week, specifically focusing on AI agents and robotics, while requesting an explanation of why each would work for a 10-minute YouTube video. After I hit search, the AI scans the most recent data from April 2026 to provide a curated list of topics with built-in why it matters angles. The first result highlights Unitree's humanoid robot reaching a record-breaking speed of 10 meters per second, which is a perfect visual hook to grab a viewer's attention immediately. Next, it suggests a segment on Anthropic's Claude and its deeper integration into computer use, offering a compelling narrative about how AI is shifting from a chatbot to a functional worker. The results also include Shopify's push into agentic commerce and Cloudflare's new tools, explaining how the transition from demos to real-world deployment provides a strong behind-the-scenes infrastructure story. To refine the research further, I'll type a follow-up prompt asking for 3 verified sources on brain-computer interface scaling and a summary of the latest breakthroughs for a news segment. The AI quickly pulls reports from sources like the Beijing Review and CGTN to confirm that BCI technology is finally moving from the lab into commercial and clinical applications. It summarizes key milestones such as new regulatory approvals and the move toward mass production, giving me all the verified facts I need to script a polished and professional tech news update. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.